Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is one of the most powerful and affordable natural remedies sitting in your kitchen cabinet. While most people use it for baking or cleaning, few realize that it can also solve a wide range of health problems. In this video, you'll discover 13 powerful health issues that baking soda can help fix, and how to use it correctly and safely for each. Stay tuned till the end, because the last few tips might completely change how you look at this everyday powder. Let's begin with number 1. Heartburn and acid reflux. If you're someone who constantly feels a burning sensation in your chest after eating, especially after spicy meals or late-night snacks, this could be due to acid reflux. Baking soda is a natural antacid. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of cold water and sip it slowly. It neutralizes stomach acid almost instantly, providing fast relief from heartburn. But don't overdo it. Limit it to once or twice a day, and never for more than a week without consulting a doctor, especially if you're on a sodium-restricted diet. Next is number 2, urinary tract infections. If you've ever had a UTI, you know how painful and uncomfortable it can be. Baking soda helps create a more alkaline environment in the urinary tract, which may reduce bacterial growth and discomfort. Mix half a teaspoon with water and drink it once daily for a few days. However, this should only be used as a complementary remedy along with proper medical treatment. Number 3, body odor and sweat control. Forget expensive deodorants with chemicals you can't even pronounce. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in sweat and eliminates odor. Just dab a small amount under your arms after showering. You can even mix it with a few drops of essential oil for a natural deodorant. It's gentle, effective, and affordable. Coming up at number 4 is tooth and gum care. Baking soda has natural antibacterial properties and can help reduce plaque, whiten teeth, and freshen breath. Dip your damp toothbrush in baking soda and brush as usual once or twice a week. You can also gargle with a solution of baking soda and water to kill bacteria in the mouth. However, avoid overuse, as baking soda is abrasive and could wear down enamel with daily use. Number 5, indigestion and bloating. That uncomfortable fullness after eating a large meal can often be reduced by baking soda. A half teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water helps break down food faster and relieves gas and bloating. It supports digestion by balancing stomach acid, especially useful after a heavy meal or overeating. And number 6, itchy skin and rashes. Whether it's due to insect bites, sunburn, or allergic reactions, baking soda can calm inflammation. Add 1 cup of baking soda to a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. You can also make a paste with water and apply it directly to the irritated area. It reduces itchiness and speeds up healing without harsh chemicals. Number 7, fungal infections and athlete's foot. Fungi thrive in moist environments, and baking soda helps by absorbing moisture and killing fungus. Sprinkle it in your shoes, socks, or even make a foot soak. Use warm water and a tablespoon of baking soda, soak for 15 minutes and dry thoroughly. Repeat daily until symptoms clear. Number 8, bad breath or halitosis. No one wants to be told their breath smells. Baking soda balances the pH in your mouth and kills the bacteria that cause bad breath. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and swish it around in your mouth like a mouthwash. Use this daily to keep your breath fresh and mouth bacteria-free. At number 9, kidney health support. Some research suggests that baking soda may help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing the acidity in the body. Under the supervision of a healthcare provider, patients may take small doses daily to manage acid buildup. Never start this on your own without medical guidance. Number 10, relief from canker sores. Those painful little ulcers inside the mouth can be soothed with baking soda. Make a rinse with baking soda and water or dab a thick paste directly on the sore. It reduces acidity and helps the sore heal faster, often in just a few days. Number 11, detoxifying your system. Though controversial, some wellness experts suggest that baking soda mixed with water and a bit of lemon juice can help detox your body and maintain pH balance. The drink may support liver function and promote energy levels. A popular mix is a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a squeeze of fresh lemon, and a cup of warm water in the morning. Use this occasionally, not daily, and listen to how your body responds. At number 12, relieving cold and flu symptoms. If you're congested or battling a sore throat, baking soda can help. Gargling with baking soda and warm water can ease throat irritation and kill germs. You can also add baking soda to a steam inhalation bowl to relieve nasal congestion. Breathe in the vapors for 10 minutes to help clear your sinuses and lungs. And finally, number 13, balancing pH levels in the body. While your body naturally regulates pH, poor diet and lifestyle can throw things off. Drinking a small amount of baking soda and water once or twice a week may help create a more alkaline environment, which some believe supports overall wellness, reduces inflammation, and boosts energy. Though more research is needed, many swear by it as a general health tonic. So how do you safely use baking soda for these remedies? Always start with small doses, typically 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon in a glass of water. Use it on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning. Never take it immediately after a large meal, because it can cause gas buildup. And always talk to your doctor if you're pregnant, have high blood pressure, kidney issues, or are on a sodium-restricted diet. Now let's quickly touch on some key things to avoid. Never combine baking soda with vinegar internally. Don't use it as a replacement for prescribed medication. And never exceed more than 1.5 teaspoons in a day, unless instructed by a healthcare provider. Overuse can lead to alkalosis, a condition caused by too much alkalinity in the body. In conclusion, baking soda is more than just a baking ingredient. It's a versatile, affordable, and powerful natural remedy for a wide range of health problems, from digestion and skin issues to oral care and beyond. But like any remedy, it must be used wisely and in moderation. Incorporate it into your routine with care, and you may be surprised by how such a simple ingredient can transform your health. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more powerful natural health tips, and share this with someone who could benefit from the healing power of baking soda. Thanks for listening, and stay healthy.